If you offer a surface cleaning, treatment, or coating service, we have created the best way to get clients directly to your door, and the best part is we've done it all for free. Now, the way that this works is you'll use our website, prepandcoatpros.com, create your free account, and then you can set it up essentially like you would a social media profile. From there, you can start directing traffic directly to your main site. And also, if you pay for a premium plan, you can showcase your location directly on a map. That way, clients can find directly where you are. Now, this website is not limited, it's extensive, and that means if you offer any sort of fabrication services, any sort of CNC machining services, any sort of coating or plating service, you can list all of that on this website. That way clients can find you. Also, if you qualify for all of the services, you can list every single one of them. That way a client can find you and you can become their one-stop shop. Make sure you guys check out the website. Again, it's prepandcoatpros.com. That way you can start attracting the clientele that you deserve today.